Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and आज पहले सभी को मैं हैप्पी दशहरा विश कर देती हूँ. होप सो you all get into great law colleges and start your legal career as soon as possible. So I'm getting a lot of queries कि when will the MHCT results be out. I think it will be out soon by this month end because after that उन्हें admission process भी start करनी है, तो most probably by this month end your results will be out of first week of November mostly. So let's move further. ये वीडियो मैं खास बना रही हूँ for the CLAT candidates who have given CLAT and who wish to take admission into some private law colleges. So I have taken some of the good colleges in India which take admission through CLAT score. So let us move forward and discuss what are these colleges. First of all, let me tell you guys that these all colleges have done a lot of research, and I have contacted my friends and my other people who I know who are studying currently or who have studied in these colleges. So the source is gonna be very authentic, that I'm not just randomly taking any colleges and letting you the names. I have done a lot of my homework and contacted my friends and my some people I know who actually study in that colleges to get you make this video out. So let us discuss what are these colleges all about. First one, we will be discussing that KP Mehta, which is even known as NIMS, which is situated in Mumbai, but NIMS has various other branches also, Indore, Bangalore and Dhule. But the Mumbai one has a great name for law college, like it is like KP Mehta College, everyone is talking about it. So the infrastructure is really good, the faculty is also very good, and they even have a very good extracurricular activities also, like their mood teams, then everything's happening in the colleges also, like the cultural events and everything is really good. So if you really want, you can go and join this college, check out their website. Further, just look at the fees, like you can afford it or not, because it's 5 years. It's around 2 lakh per year, so it's gonna be like 5 years. It will charge you to up to 10 lakhs, and upon that this colleges doesn't has this hostel facilities. So what you have to do is you have to take a flat for rent, or you have to find a PG, especially that's in Mumbai. So obviously the cost of living will be higher, so just take all these calculations and then take up a decision. Further, about this, I think everything is good in KP Mehta. If you have further any doubts, let me know in the comment section. The second college which I am talking about is NIMA. NIMA University Ahmedabad. I guess you all might have heard name about it. It's really a deemed university, a great university. The faculty is really good, the seniors are also good. Everything is really good in this NIMA also, but the fees is a bit higher. It's up to 2.67 lakhs first year, then the second year it reduces a bit little, but then okay, it's a pretty much amount, so you can just calculate. If you can afford it, you can really go. And even the mood team is really good, like these people keep come to the competition of NLU teams as well. So NIMA has a very good mood team, and every extracurricular activity is also really good. The infrastructure is also really good at NIMA. And one more thing about KP Mehta and NIMA, you get an options of studying this BA, BBA and BCom LLB as well. So आप चूज़ कर सकते हो आपके हिसाब से कि आपको कौन सा LLB लेना है. लाइक द डिग्री कोर्स ऑल्सो यू कैन चूज इट, सो दैट्स अ रियली गुड ऑप्शन. वैसे MHCT में I would have to check this out. Like most of the colleges in MHCT only provide you with BA LLB, so you have a very little option of colleges which only provide you with BCom LLB. So this is a kind of advantage over in these colleges, that they provide you with BA LLB, BBA, then BCom LLB as well. So you can just check out the websites, and if you can really apply to these colleges. Third one is Amity Law School, Noida. So Noida one is really a bit well known, and इसका नाम भी है क्योंकि obviously Delhi is very near to Noida, so obviously you can get two internships at Delhi. Then you even like, you know, when the Delhi is near, you can even do internships there. Then you can even get placed in Delhi. Like the placements can be great in Delhi. So it's Amity Law School is also one of the great options. The faculty is also really good in Amity. And fees is also like 2 lakhs or above that. So you need to just check it out because it keeps on changing year by year. So just check it out, this year's fees from their website. So the fourth one is Christ University, which is situated in Bengaluru. So Christ is also having a name because these people come up in various competitions, like where you have research paper publications, then you have moot court competitions. I have always many times heard about Christ University, and the faculty is also really good at Christ. And you can like check out their fees. Their fees is also like 2 lakhs and plus only. So just check out their fees and everything, and you will get to know. The infrastructure of all these colleges are really good. The ambience and the faculty is also good. So just check the websites, and if you really are eligible of getting into these colleges, you can like fill the admission and go ahead. If you have any queries related to these colleges, you can just drop me in the comment section. I will be very happy to answer them and help you guys. And one more thing, if people are thinking, you know, they can't get into these colleges because of fees and all, it's absolutely okay. You can choose some other colleges. MHCT में बहुत से अच्छे colleges है, you can get into that. And for them, those people who will be like disheartened, like we can't get into these colleges and all, so just chill. Nothing changes. Like it's all up to you. Lastly, it's all up to you, how much you give your 100% or how much you do your hard work. So that really matters. So all the best guys, and I will be making videos soon on MHCT as well. Just let me know in the comment section what kind of other videos you want me about this law schools and other things. Soon I will be surely making video on MHCT colleges also, but other than that, what you want, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys, and just chill. The results will be soon out. Till then, take care. Bye bye.